Hey there, dog lovers and curious minds. Before we dive into today's fascinating and spot-filled story, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon because you don't want to miss another episode of adorable, mind-blowing animal facts that'll make your tail wag. Now, let's talk about one of the most recognizable and misunderstood dogs on the planet, the Dalmatian. They've starred in movies, ridden fire trucks, and strutted down city streets like they own the place. But have you ever wondered why Dalmatians are so rare today? Or how on earth they got those magical black or liver spots that make them look like walking pieces of art? Grab your leash, a treat, and maybe a spotted blanket, because we're about to uncover the mysterious, beautiful world of Dalmatians, one spot at a time. Fact number 1. Dalmatians are born without spots. Yep, you read that right. When Dalmatian puppies are born, they're completely white, snow white, like tiny marshmallows with tails. Their signature spots don't appear until about 2 to 3 weeks after birth. They start as faint gray smudges, then darken and spread over time. It's like watching nature paint. Every single puppy becomes its own masterpiece. And the coolest part? No two Dalmatians have the same pattern. Each one is truly one of a kind. Just like snowflakes, but louder and with more zoomies. Fact number 2, the spots are all about genetics. Those spots aren't painted on, sadly, Cruella. They're the result of genetic magic. Dalmatians have a specific gene called the T locus, which affects the distribution of pigmentation on their coats. Instead of being solid-colored, like a Labrador, the Dalmatians' pigment cells are randomly deactivated in certain areas during development. That's how you get their unique black or liver spots scattered across their fur like someone splattered them with ink. It's like Mother Nature said, let's make this one stand out in a crowd. Fact number 3, from carriages to fire trucks, the Dalmatians' historical glow-up. You might picture Dalmatians riding shotgun on old fire trucks, sirens blaring, but that's not how their story started. Originally, Dalmatians were coach dogs. In the 1700s and 1800s, they'd trot alongside horse-drawn carriages, guarding the horses and keeping stray dogs away. When fire departments used horses to pull their wagons, Dalmatians became the official firehouse mascots. They'd run ahead of the horses, clear the roads, and then hang out at the station as loyal companions. So when you see a Dalmatian on a fire truck, it's not just for show, it's history on 4 legs. Fact number 4. Why are Dalmatians so rare today? You'd think a dog with that much personality and fame would be everywhere, but no, Dalmatians have become surprisingly rare. Here's why. They're not exactly starter dogs. Dalmatians are energetic, stubborn, and extremely intelligent. They need constant exercise, attention, and mental stimulation. Leave them bored too long, and they'll find their own entertainment, usually involving chewing, digging, or redecorating your couch. After the 101 Dalmatians movie craze in the 1990s, tons of people rushed to adopt them and then realized they couldn't handle the energy. Sadly, that led to a lot of Dalmatians being surrendered or abandoned. Because of that, breeders became more selective and the breed's popularity dropped dramatically. Today, Dalmatians are considered uncommon, not because they're not amazing, but because they're a big commitment. They're like the Ferraris of the dog world, stunning, fast, and not exactly low maintenance. Fact number 5. They're smart, but oh so stubborn. Dalmatians are incredibly clever, but they also have opinions, lots of them. They love learning tricks, running agility courses, and showing off, but if they decide they don't want to do something, good luck convincing them otherwise. They're independent thinkers, which makes them both fascinating and frustrating. But once you earn a Dalmatian's trust and love, you'll never find a more loyal or entertaining companion. Fact number 6. The sad truth. Many Dalmatians are deaf in one or both ears. This is caused by the same gene that gives them their white coats and spots. That lack of pigment can affect the development of their inner ears. But don't worry, deaf Dalmatians live full, happy lives. They can be trained using hand signals, vibrations, or even light cues. Many owners say their deaf Dalmatians are even more in tune with their emotions, as if they listen with their hearts instead of their ears. Fact number 7. They're beautiful, brave, and bursting with energy. Whether they're guarding fire trucks or chasing tennis balls, Dalmatians are full of life. They love to run, play, and be part of the action. They're happiest when they're included, whether that's hiking with you, playing fetch in the yard, or napping right beside you after a long day. They might not be the easiest breed, but they're one of the most unforgettable. Once you've loved a Dalmatian, you'll never forget them, spots, sass, and all. So why are Dalmatians rare? Because they're a one-of-a-kind breed that needs the right person, someone patient, active, and ready for a little chaos. And why do they have spots? Because they were born to stand out. Their coats are a symbol of nature's creativity, bold, unique, and totally iconic. From their historic bond with firemen to their artistic coats, Dalmatians are more than just pretty dogs. They're living legends. So, the next time you see one strutting down the street like they own the world, remember, they kinda do. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another fun, heartwarming deep dive into the amazing world of animals. And tell us in the comments, do you have a Dalmatian, or have you always dreamed of owning one? Let's celebrate these spotted superstars together. Because honestly, the world could use a few more spots of happiness.